wait for it. So if you're just writing, thinking of a scene, and then you work to the beat. No? Just me? Hello, hola, konnichiwa, and welcome back to another episode here at Insta360 TV. If this is your first time here, I am Hannah, and show us support by giving us a big thumbs up, hit the red subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a moment. Let's get started. Today I am going to be taking a little bit of a backseat because if you are watching this right now, I am not in the studio, I am in Tokyo, Japan. I'm super excited that this means that if you want to watch all of the adventures that I'm getting up to, just hop on over to Instagram and I'll be updating you daily on the Instagram stories, so that should be cool. And I want to apologise in advance, but in all of this hustle and bustle, we couldn't find our usual microphone, so if the audio quality is a little bit bad, then I apologise in advance, but it will be back to normal for the next episode. But forget the audio, we're all about visuals today. It is now November, which means we have officially entered into the chilly season, but if you're in denial about summer being over, a bit like myself, why don't we take a recap of some of the awesome Insta360 summer content that we've seen over those months. Let's check it out. Yes, summer is officially over for quite a long time now, but if these next shots don't get you buzzed for the winter season, then I don't know what will. Bad ass! Insta360 TV is about being creative with Insta360 cameras, but having a community like this means that finding inspiration is never a hard task. Introducing our creative creators. So let's finish this episode on a high, shall we? I mean that quite literally. You might have seen a few episodes back that we used a drone with the 1X to get some pretty epic heights. You can check that out here. But since this, I have been totally addicted to drone content, and we have some epic community members that have been using our 1X plus a drone to get the most amazing footage out there. So have a look at this. Massive shout out to everyone that was featured in this video. If there's anything specific from this episode that you really like the look of and you would like me to try and do a longer episode about it, then leave that down in the comments. I can most certainly try do backflips with snowboards or fly a drone 500 feet in the air. Not literally. If this video has inspired you to make your own version events, then don't forget to upload your content onto Instagram and hashtag Insta360TV, and I will be keeping my eyes peeled for some fantastic content, and we can make an episode just like this very, very soon. We really love your support, guys, and you can do that in the biggest way by giving us a big thumbs up, hitting the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you for the next episode very, very soon.